In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use the Boolean modifier in Blender. We'll go over what Boolean operations are, how they work, and how to use them properly without running into common issues. This is perfect if you're a beginner or if Booleans have been confusing you. Let's jump straight into Blender and get started. Screencast keys is turned on to assist you follow along. Let's add another cube to cut through this cube we have here. Let's quickly give them some materials to differentiate between the two. Select the object we want to apply the Boolean modifier to. Head over to Modifiers, click on Add Modifier and search for Boolean. This provides you with three options: Intersect, Difference and Union. Let's start with Difference. Now click on the picker and select the object doing the cutting. This cuts out a portion of our cube. In order to see what's going on, let's turn off the cube doing the cutting. We can also make the cube a wireframe to see clearly the cutting we are doing. We can also adjust the position of the area we want cut out. Let's switch back to textured. Next is Union. Union combines all selected objects into one single object. By selecting Union, it creates duplicate of the object doing the cutting. So let's turn the original cube doing the cutting off so we see what's going on. Let's switch to wireframe view to see better. Both cubes are now connected together to form one object. Let's switch back to solid view. Next is Intersect. Intersect picks the area in between the two objects. Let's look at a different example. Let's add a cube and scale it down on the z-axis. Add a cylinder and position it to pass through the cube. Add a Boolean modifier like before and select the cylinder as object. We have our hole cut out. If we zoom in close, you'll notice we have some rough edges around the hole. To fix this, we need to apply Shade Auto Smooth to the cylinder. Let's create more holes. Duplicate the cylinder around. Let's group the cylinders into a collection. As you can see, these extra cylinders are not creating holes. This is because we need to change the operand type to collection. Select the new collection we created as the target object. Now all cylinders has an effect on the cube. Next, let's see how we can add slice cuts to an object. Add a UV sphere. You can choose to increase the number of segments. Shade Auto Smooth. Add a cylinder. Let's add a Boolean modifier to the sphere. Let's make the cylinder a wireframe to have a better view. For the slice effect to happen, we need to add a solidify modifier to our cylinder. Increase the thickness to see results. We can add more slice by adding more solidify modifier. Let's look at a common issue you can face when using Booleans. As we can see, some unnecessary vertices are left open. We can fix this by selecting Auto Merge Vertices at the top right area. Select a vertex, press G on the keyboard twice and move it to the nearest vertex to merge them. Now do that for the rest. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to drop a like, comment and subscribe. See you in the next video.